host Nick, and today I will be unboxing a new monitor. This is... wrong way. I may not be able to do this. Clearly a Dell monitor. And where is the product name? Well, not on the front. Alright, let's see what I got going on here. It is a Dell S2417DG. This one was manufactured August of this year and is revision A00. I do actually have two of these I'm going to be opening up today, but I'm only unboxing the new one. I also picked up a refurb. The refurb was on sale directly through Dell. The new one ended up going on sale a couple days later through Newegg. But I'm going to open the new one first. I don't know if I will be opening... Well, I'll probably open the refurb on camera too. First thing I'm doing, of course, is slicing this fun little tape with this cool little razor blade. And then we got some tabs back here to open up. And then I'm going to set it on the floor and hope my camera can go down that low. And let's see what we got. Oh, not the way to open this guy. Alright. Well, that's a whole bunch of crap in there. Instructions, which no one needs. Drivers and documentation. I feel like I don't need that either. Alright, what do we got here? This looks like the base. Yep. Ooh, G-Sync. 3D Vision. Don't care. Well, that's not true. The biggest reason I bought this thing was the G-Sync. Alright, we got a screw here. Alright, nothing out of the ordinary there. Guessing this is going to be the arm that holds the monitor onto the base. Oh, would you look at that? That's exactly what it appears to be. I have looked at the documentation online. This is allegedly a cable management hole. Alright. I'm thinking this is the VESA mount, or I guess where the screen will go once it's mounted. We'll just plug this guy in here. We got directions right there for which way to turn the screw to put it in. So go ahead and tighten that little guy down. I'm just going to do it by hand. Flip the little tab. Flip the little tab down. Oh, more crap in the box. Alright, power cord. I will need that. Display port cable. I don't remember if I'll need that. Not sure what my current monitors are hooked up on. And their USB cord to give this monitor USB 3. Ooh. I mean, that's kind of cool. I shouldn't really mock it like I am. And bumped my tripod a little too hard. And there is the monitor. Front side down. Maybe I should have looked at the instructions a little better. And there we have it. I'm thinking at this point I will do an unboxing of the refurb just to see how they're packed. But for now I'm going to end this video, put it together, and see how this one looks as a screen. I guess maybe I shouldn't really call it ending it because I will be splicing this one and the next one together. Alright, now that we know how a new one comes, let's find out how a refurb's boxed. Alright, boring box. Still a boring box. And let's see what we can This one's actually got a newer revision than the old, or the new one I got. This one is revision A02. And, oh, got some shipping papers here on the side. At least I think that's what they are. Please recycle responsibly. Customer is not required to return the defective parts. A return shipping label has not been provided. Okay, just an invoice apparently. Okay. Again, I grab my handy dandy razor blade and I start cutting some tape. And I guess I don't have to cut the tape. But I always just lock the box open as it is a refurb. I'm much more hesitant to do that than I would have been on the new. But again, on the new, I didn't want to have an issue that if I had to return it, I didn't have a good shipping container. Well, this is interesting. Alright, well, that's how that's boxed. A bunch of bubble wrap, more or less. Yeah, bubble wrap. And it looks like this one, oh, another piece of paper inside. Important notice, do not retain any cables received with the original display. Oh. Okay. I guess because it's a refurb, it's just assumed by default that this is a replacement. Oddly enough, the replacement looks like it's pre-put together. I'm having a hard time figuring out how to grab it to gank it out. I guess just lift straight out. And a kit number 38. I assume that's power cables. Get the box out of the way. Of course, flip the camera down some. Side cover. Side cover. Yep. This one is put together out the box. Little refurb sticker saying it may contain new and used parts. It's a refurb, that's what I expected. Pop the cover off. Well, it looks brand new except for the fingerprints on it, but I'd start. And other than the screw on the bottom not being in, it's in pretty good shape. Well, I'm going to need some time to clean my desk off. As you can see, I already got the first one of these up. Still need to remove that other Asus monitor. Not quite sure what I'm going to do, because I would really like 3 monitors, but not sure I'll be able to accommodate that. Now let's see what's in the kit. Because it doesn't come with a driver's CD like the first one did. Which, it's kind of strange when you think about it. Most, well maybe not most, but lots of computers don't come with optical drives anymore. Alright, got some self-adhesive on it. And power cord, nothing weird there. Their USB cord, which actually looks to be a proprietary connector, and another display port cable. Pretty standard crap. Alright, I guess thanks for watching Loading. Please wait.